Good day sa lahat. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Kung umaga nyo napanood ang video na ito. Kung gabi naman, magandang gabi. Welcome to my channel, Apollo Manlawe. Okay. Alam natin yung balita kay Mima Alicia, di ba? Si Mima Alicia ay isang PBBM vloggers na may mga sweldo ito sila. Nagkataon na inabot siya ng kamalasan, siya ay nabaril at napatay. Ang masama nito, sino ang pinagbibintangan ng mga vloggers sa tabi-tabi? Yun ang ating talakayin ngayon. So, intro muna. Okay. Ang binintangan ng ibang vlogger sa kamatayan ni Mima Alicia ay ang Iglesia ni Cristo kaagad. Yan ang kanilang konklusyon. Tapos yung mga DDS pa, yan ang pinagbintangan. Ay nako. Meron pang vloggers na nag-istorya na si Mima Alicia daw, kasintahan daw niya Iglesia ni Cristo. Si Mima Alicia daw ay bautismuhan na sana sa iglesia. Pero imposible yung mga istorya na yon. So, sa pulis tayo kukuha ng balita. Ano ang nangyari kay Mima Alicia? Si Mima Alicia pala ay dinalaw ni Yusek Claire Castro, si Auntie Claire. Dinalaw din siya ni Risa Hontiveros. Dinalaw siya ng maraming celebrities na mga politician. Baka balak pa raw nila na gawing santa si Mima Alicia. Pero ito yung pinakabagong balita. Mima Alicia's 8 million debt. Nagkautang pala siya ng 8 million led to her death. Yan ang sabi ng PNP. So mga friends, mga guys, mga PBBM vloggers, ito na yung kanyang investigation na sinagawa ng PNP. Basahin natin. The motive for killing political blogger Alicia Lipata. So Alicia Lipata pala ito siya sa tunay na buhay. Was an 8 million debt as well as personal disagreements between her and the alleged masterminds of her murder. PNP Chief Jose Melencio Nartates said on Friday. So kahapon lang pala natapos itong investigation na ito at pinalabas. The motive, it's about the profession. And they also have a personal grudge. Kita mo yan? Personal disagreement na nagsimula sa utang na 8 million. Nartates clarified that Alicia owed 8 million to her business partners. May mga business partners pala ito si Mima Alicia, who suspects previously arrested have identified as the masterminds. They were named. We unmasked them. That is the motive. But if there were other motives, the mastermind, siya lang ang makakasagot, sabi ni Nartates. Maalala natin na si Alicia ay binaril ng motorcycle riding assailant sa labas ng kanyang bahay lang sa Barangay 171, Caloocan City.
Hindi pala pumasok?
Oo, sa labas ng bahay lang pala.
Hindi pinasok.
Noong July 17. Her live-in partner who was with her during the attack was critically wounded but survived. Initial police information indicates that Lipata and her partner had just arrived at her home when two identified assailants approached them and shot her as she stepped out of her vehicle. She was declared dead on spot. Ang mga rider were arrested in a police operation in Mabalacat City, Pampanga noong July 23. Alicia is a pro-administration content creator known for her YouTube channel Alicia Comments. She is widely known for supporting President Bongbong Marcos and criticizing the Duterte family, particularly Vice President Sara Duterte. Authorities said they were looking into several angles for the killing, including her outspoken online views and her previous lawsuits that stemmed from clashes with several online personalities. So yun na po, close na po yung kaso ni Mima Alicia. Siya po ay patay na. Siya po ay known bilang hard-hitting, bad-mouthing vlogger laban sa Duterte family. Hindi lang Duterte ang kanyang binibira, pati Iglesia ni Cristo rin. Okay, so payo sa lahat ng mga vloggers, huwag kayong mangutang ng sobra-sobra. At kung mangutang man, dapat magbayad. So hanggang dito na lang ating vlog. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat kung umaga nyo ito napanood, at magandang gabi naman kapag gabi nyo ito napanood. Bye-bye! Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.